So viewers, this is the isuzu truck. It has been standing for a long time here, and today what we are going to do is that we are going to start it up after a long time. So be with us, let's see what it does and how it starts up. Hope so it'll start up fine, because we had heard that the person that owns this truck has started this before. But what we are going to do is that we are going to start this truck, and then we are going to tow our isuzu truck with this, and we are going to get it to the market to get it repaired and running again. So be with us, let's start it up and see how it does. So it's now what we are doing is that the diesel has arrived to the nozzles, so the diesel is on, but because it has been parked for a long time, it is not gonna start the diesel. So we are gonna give it a little bit petrol in the air intake, so in that way it will get a jump start, so it will be easier to start a diesel engine. It's a very great tip as well, we have tried it before. So now we are just gonna give it a petrol and then show it to you guys. डीजल उठा जाए अल्लाह करे तो हो जाए. बस बस पेट्रोल से गाली इस्तेमाल कितना ही हो जाएगी. रेस दे ले सीधा फिर बंद होगी नहीं. हां तंग करेगी. रेस दे मैं रेस पड़ता हूं. पेट्रोल अगेन दो. नहीं अगेन नहीं देना. चलो चलो तुम पढ़ो. रेस पकड़ के रखता मेरे ख्याल में. चलो बिस्मिल्लाह. दे रहे कि जब तक पेट्रोल जलाएगी नहीं ऐसे ही करेगी. ये आ गया. ब्रेक लगा लेना. ब्रेक लगा.